So he's saying, hello, welcome to Miss Benin in America. How are you all doing today? So what are we making today?
Cucumber
salad.
Cucumber salad.
So we are making salad today. Hello, welcome to Miss Benin in America. How are you all doing today? Guys, yes, we are back. Thank you all so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the share. Thank you for the comments. You guys are amazing. So today we are making salad, like my son just said.
Tomato and cucumber and cheese and honey and onion and corn and lemon.
I'm going to boil some eggs and then come back and show you the rest ingredients. Let's go ahead. Are you going to cook? Are you going to boil the eggs with mommy?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Cucumber.
So we have cucumber, we have onion,
and we have cheese.
We have tomatoes. So now let's start, and I'm going to first of all cut the cucumber.
And the cucumber goes in the eyes.
Cut it. Take this outside.
And cut it. Take this outside. And cut it. It's for the eyes. See? Whoa! It's green. Whoa! Wow!
Transfer it from our bowl. Because I don't want it to be mushy, but now this one is very tiny, but I'll see if maybe I can take off the seeds in it.
But I'm getting big like seeds.
I take the seeds.
And onion at the same time.
Let's add tomatoes.
And I want to do it first. Let me do it.
Okay. Put it in a bowl.
I'll add some cheese.
Now I want to cut the eggs. So let's transfer the eggs. So I want to add corn. I'm just gonna open it. So I divide the corn, so I just strain this and I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna set this aside and add some olive. My son already ate this one. So this is the left one and we're gonna manage it. So let's set this aside and make the sauce that we are going to be using for this. So I just open the mayo. I'm going to use mayo and we're going to use honey. First, I'm going to cut lemon. So you can use white vinegar if you don't have lemon, but I'm not a fan of vinegar. Sorry to say that.
And we have lemon. At the same time.
Yeah, we have lemon at the same time, right?
And we're gonna make lemon juice. Lemon juice is lemonade. Cold lemonade is good. Cold lemon.
Honey? Ooh. Black pepper.
What? It does say pepper about.
And I'm going to stir it first.
And do that.
2 or 3 spoons of mayo. I like it going to mix it together. You If you have mixer, you can use it. I don't know where I kept my own right now, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of salt to taste. So here we go. I'm going to add some nuts to it. This is totally optional. You can skip this part if you don't like something like this. Most especially if you are using this. Oh God! If you are using this for. Also use this salad to eat rice. So if you are using it for your rice, you can skip the nuts that is in there. And then I'm going to be adding some mozzarella cheese. So I'm just going to add a little bit.
I need mozzarella.
So we are pretty much ready. So I'm going to add the sauce. The creaming, the better for me. So we're gonna mix it together, guys. Yum yum. You see why I like it creamy, guys?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah. Yeah. So guys, here is my food.
And here is my food.
Yeah.
We like some salad.
Yeah, we like some salad.
And we're going to show Daddy some salad.
So good, guys. You like it?
Yes.
Alright, so thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching other videos. Get subscribed into another video.
Okay, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and watch another video. That's what he just said. Please do so. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.
Bye.